Welcome back, everybody. So as you can see, and if you watched my previous video that I'll put up here, behind me is my newly LS swapped S13. I'm extremely excited to actually have the engine in the car and to be going forward with my build. Today I wanted to just give another overlook of what I have done to the car, what type of engine mounts, transmission, so on and so forth, to give an idea of what the cost of my build is so far. So yeah, let's get started. Let me get you some video and a description of what I got going on. See you soon. So in front of us is my Ls1, obviously. Just to give another quick description of what I've got going on. I've got a all aluminum 5.7 liter out of a 2001 Corvette. I've got the 806 casting heads and a Ls1 intake manifold from a Corvette as well, with the Ls1 throttle body. And for those of you who are wondering, I ended up using the LOJ to the 240 mount engine mounts. I actually did a Z32 5-speed transmission out of a TT. I believe it was a 96 TT. And I've got the LOJ adapter plate as well, with a stage 3 competition clutch. I believe it's a ceramic segmented clutch, so I don't have any review on that as of now because obviously the car's not running. I've also used the LOJ Z32 to 240 mount for the transmission. I can put all descriptions for these items in the link down below. For an oil pan, I used the Canton front sump for the LS1. This one does clear the factory sway bar, so that's one of the reasons why I ended up going with this and not the Sicky one. The Sicky one, you do have to get the Sicky sway bar in order for it to fit the front. I do plan on upgrading my sway bar in the future, but it just wasn't in my budget at the moment. So as you can see here, I do have the Chase Bays brake booster delete and the Chase Bay, well, it's actually a Willwood clutch master cylinder, but it has the Chase Bays adapting kit on that to fit it to the stock S13 location. So this is just a starting point. I do have a long way to go. I'm by no means finished, but I do believe I have the hardest part of the swap out of the way. In one of my upcoming videos, I will have my unboxing of my Wire & Specialties Pro harness that I made specifically for this one, for the sensors that I have in mind that I'll be using, so on and so forth on that. Right after this, I do want to do a quick unboxing of some parts that I have that had just come in from Delaware. It's going to be a front set of Z32 brakes and 2 sets of rears. I'm going to have one set as my normal rear brakes, and then another set for my hydraulic e-brake. So I will show you those, and then in future videos I'll show cleaning those up, painting those, mounting them, so on and so forth for those. Like I said, I do have a lot of things planned for this. I think it'll be a cool build. I'm gonna try to keep my content quick, good, and fun and informative for anybody who's interested in LS swapping their S13, S14, same thing. So yeah, let's go to unboxing those brakes real quick. So I've got, like I said, I've got a set of Z32 fronts, and I've got 2 sets of Z32 rears. And in one of my next upcoming videos, I do want to wire brush these off, clean them up really nicely. I'm gonna attempt to paint them myself. As you can see probably on my wall and shit like that, that I do spray paint from time to time, and I would like to get better because I believe powder coating these is gonna have to, I'm gonna be forced to rebuild them. The brake pads are shit, but under the brake pad the seals and pistons actually look really good condition. So I'd like to not have to rebuild them so I can get them on the car as quick as possible. But at the same token, I'd like to clean them up. I believe by me painting them, I'll be able to learn on the way. So that way, if I'm ever wanting to paint anything small or anything like that, I have a little bit of experience on it. But yeah, I want to wire brush these up, clean them, paint them. I'm going to save that for another video. That's not going to be done today. So again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do have a lot of good stuff coming, and I'd like to share it with as many people as possible. So again, hit the subscribe button down below. And if you have any questions, I've got plenty of time on my hands to answer them when I'm not in work. So thanks again for watching, guys. See you next time.